Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix a metallic tag on your bag. I'm going to fix my metallic tag on, so you guys to watch, and if you don't understand anything, I would like to get you can ask your question on the comment section. So let's start. So first of all, I'm going to get my fishing line. Your fishing line should be short though. Then fix it on one of the hole at the metallic tag. And when you are fixing, make sure you are fixing from the back. The both ends of the fishing line to be from the back, not the front. So when you do that, you start fixing it inside the beads. Inside the beads. Just watch me as I do it. It's not that hard. It's just you knowing how to go about it. It's not that hard. Sometimes the fishing line gets to not to be equal, because when you are fixing it, you make sure your fishing line should be equal. Yes, so it gives you this strong hold. It's not that hard. So this is what you're doing till the fishing line gets finished. As you can see, I'm putting the fishing line inside every corner of the beads. It's not that hard. Inside every corner of the beads. So that's all. If you have any question, please don't forget to comment section to ask your question. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share and comment. And if you like this video, please try subscribing to our channel, please. Thank you so much. So now I am done. So I'll be cutting out the fishing lines, the excess fishing line on the bag. All right, this is the outcome of the metallic tag. Hope to see you next time. Thank you for watching.